Hey guys, Matters here, and I got a quick little short unboxing slash install slash first impressions of the Sabrent PlayStation 5 Heatsink. I currently have a Sabrent Rocket in here, a 4TB version, and this will cool it. So instead of your normal SSD cover on the PlayStation 5, this replaces it and causes it to be heat sink, and this will cause the internal fan to move air over it and cool down the NVMe, and you need to do that. These NVMe's run very hot and you don't want them to overheat. You want them to perform very well for long periods of times. So let's go ahead and do that. See you in a little bit. Basically, to get this started, we need to whack off the top cover of the PlayStation 5. This will reveal the inside. Here's the regular SSD cover, and we are replacing that with this bad boy. So let's go ahead, let's open this and see what we get inside. So we get some instruction manuals, but no one reads that. And here it is. This is the PlayStation 5 heatsink that replaced this. Comes with a hard drive and some pre-applied thermal paste. So we could go ahead and unscrew this. And here's my Sabrent Rocket. What we're actually going to do is remove the current heatsink that I have on it, because it won't be needed anymore. So go ahead, remove the screws. This heatsink was actually a big pain in the rear end to get on, because the Sabrent Rocket 4TB actually needs cooling on both sides. Go ahead, do that. So because the Sabrent Rocket actually has chips on both sides, I'm gonna leave this bottom part on, and that will allow cooling to be applied to both sets, because it looks like with that on, this should be able to fit on there still no problem. And that's really important, because you really do want to get the most cooling out of these. You really want to ensure that it's performing at its toppest speeds, and you just want to ensure that it's all things good. So with that, we should just be able to put this on, and it should work. So before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and unpeel it, and that will reveal the heat sticker, the thermal pad, heat sticker, same thing. Ooh. We want to ensure this is good the first time we put it on, which guess what? It's not. Alright. There we go. And then we're going to utilize the same screw. And get that little piece of blue off of that. And that should be good. Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful. It really does. Oh boy. And then put on the cover and then you're off to the races. It should be stay cool the entire time. That fits quite well, honestly. Awesome. Very happy. Well, that was sort of like a quick install, first overview of the heatsink from Sabrent. Easy to install, one screw essentially. I am not disappointed, but it would have been nice to see a version of this that included cooling for dual-sided NVMe's like the 4TB rocket that, you know, Sabrent makes. It does only cool one side, but honestly, I like the idea. I think it fit very well. I think it's well made, and we'll see. Maybe I'll come back to this in a couple months to see if I've had any overheating problems or anything with the NVMe, as more and more games start to be pushing the speeds of the NVMe drives. But super easy to install, very high quality aluminum. Again, I do wish that the only thing that they included was some sort of bottom cooling for dual-sided NVMe drives. Go ahead, pick one up. It's on sale now. I'll leave a link down below so you could go ahead and check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, you know, it was super easy to install, nothing to be afraid of. And let's go ahead and go test it out. Thanks guys. Make sure to like, sub, and comment down below everything you do on YouTube. You know, it's the cool thing to do. Please. It'll mean a lot. Bye. Be safe.